Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the Jasmy video update today. And I'd see that Jasmy has some similarities with Pepe. So I'm gonna go into the Pepe chart and open up the Pepe chart for you right there. And look at this, okay? So on the daily time frame, whatever you're doing for Pepe at the moment, right? This scenario right over there is pretty much the same thing that is happening to Jasmy. So if you look at Jasmy, you really got the very similar candles right over there. Now previously this was a headache, this was really bad, and I've seen fake outs happening here. You didn't even go to the technical target, which was actually this one, and all you did is made a fake out and then you pushed down, and that's just another normal day in the crypto, okay, in the crypto space. So I'm just going to remove the trend line here and let's go into the main thing that is happening. So a lot of people had their stop losses here, and the fact that you took out that stop loss, this is not a good sign, okay? That's not a good sign. And I told you before that put a stop loss here. If you start to take out that stop loss, it's going to be bad. Now in my opinion, you're looking to take that stop loss and you have this next level here that you're about to take out as well, and maybe even come to the technical target. Now I do remember, I mean, if you're a person who follows this channel for a long time and you've been watching Jasmy video, and if you're not, if you're new, do follow this because you may not see this channel again. So this is a technical target that was given to you last year, okay? And if I told you that you're looking to come down here, would you believe me? It actually sounds believable now, but when we were pumping here, no one believed it. When we were pumping there, no one believed it. But right now you can see that it's getting realistic, right? The target is turning out to be realistic. It all takes time, and I told you that this pattern is on a weekly time frame. It's going to take months probably, and the pattern that I'm talking about is when Jasmy went down and it made this bearish rectangle. It broke down, it's looking to come down here, okay? Now let's talk about the weekly and let's talk about the daily. So the weekly time frame is of course looking quite bad, and on the 4-hour time frame as well, we might be looking at some continuation patterns being made. On the 4-hour time frame, I'm not really sure what's going on, but on the daily, it does look like we do have a bear flag. And let's dive into the daily right there, and not the daily, but in my opinion, the 8-hour time frame. Okay, if you look at the 8-hour time, which I don't have right now, this may look like a flag on the 8-hour time frame. And if this is actually a flag, then the next technical target for Jasmy is basically from there to there, and you could be looking at Jasmy coming down all the way. I'm just gonna take this from there, and you're looking for this thing to basically pop and go down to 0.02474, and that's just very close to this technical target once again. Now if you do come down to this target, this stop loss is going to be taken away, right? You take this stop, you take this stop, you take this stop, come down, maybe push back a little bit, and then who knows, in the future just go to the main target that has been pending for quite a long time. And September is about to come as well. September is really bad for crypto, let me just tell you that. And unfortunately, if Jasmy does drop down to this target, then you are invalidating this bullish pattern on the monthly as well. You can see you do have a bullish engulfing right there, and if you take it out, that's also bad. You might retest and then fail and then drop down here. So that's it for this update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.